Hello guys, welcome to today's show. My name is CHUKS and you're on GFL TV, the home of football. So if today is the first time we sell our program, for here we will bring you the latest Arsenal news updates as they drop all over the world. So for now, we'll start with today's news. Paul Merson will be one of Arsenal legendary players and one of our super monitoring spirits. Don't come and second they let us know say the match where Arsenal will play against Fulham for the Emirates today. Say Arsenal will knock Fulham 3-0. Now what they predict, so by the drop in prediction for the game. So Babako they explain say it is quite true. Say Fulham don't play some kind of tough games, play against Liverpool, they play 2-2 and they play very well. But this time around, Arsenal is a different kettle of fish to play. Arsenal is on the up and up. You get Arsenal the para now. You get and they come Emirates at the wrong time. We get one man where they call Gabriel Yusuf, so they bomb anywhere. You get see if they jam, the Arsenal will knock them blue and black. And I would say I expect so but the talk say now 3-0 it be. What's even our own prediction you get, so now so it just be. And meanwhile, in case they hear some kind of background for the noise for the background, I'm already in the 4 heavily for year. I don't know for on our side, but already in the 4 like this going. On my way from that, so Jamie Carragher will be Liverpool legend. Don't come as I they explain some kind of things where Manchester United they do where him no like. So but back when they criticize Eric Ten Hag, say Eric Ten Hag they spend big money on proven stars. So for example, this kind Casemiro where they go buy, say it no make sense. Casemiro is 30. In the next 2-3 years now, they're going to look for another player again. So that is why they always like what Arteta they do. So Arteta is doing a very good work. Arteta don't pursue all the high wage earners, pursue them come out, groom some kind of young group of players where in the next 3 to 4 years they will come they better than the way they did now. So Ten Hag supposed to learn from Arteta will be compadre, will be a fellow coach. You get use Arteta blueprint, understand what they do. Instead, you are buying ready-made players. Ready-made player is good. But in the next, nobody say we're going to buy old man ready-made players. In the next 2-3 years now, where will Casemiro be? That is the $1 million question. Well, Ten Hag now go fit answer that one. Our familiar setting ahead of the match where Arsenal go play against Fulham. So they're going to ask Arteta about the financial fair play, where they say UEFA don't put Arsenal there because we don't spend about £270 million in 2 transfer summers. So how Arteta go react? Arteta can talk say then see all those things, but they're not really worried about them because Arsenal is fully compliant with financial fair play rules. Get we know they do anyhow. We are using the money that we have available. We know they go they overspend. You get so we are not really worried. So that one not go affect incomings. We go come if we want really invest in incoming. So otherwise say them see them, but they're not really worried because we are fully compliant. Then at the same time, Dean Jones will be one of our super monitoring spirits. Come as I call the talk. Say Jeremy Pino is very interested in joining Arsenal. He's excited to join Arsenal. But the two they say make Arsenal go accept a deal, a fee with his parents' club, maybe Villarreal. If they don't accept the fee, then he's going to join us. And this one they come from the backdrop of this same Dean Jones. We talk say Arsenal no go fit sign Pedro Neto. That is why we call the talk say, but if they want sign Jeremy Pino would they available to join. Nobody Pino do for the matter. I mean I don't forget Cody Gakpo did there. Even though Manchester United 9 players say that they lead the race for Cody Gakpo. So Zaha self did there because the Jones we talk say Zaha did for the background. You get say you gas by the scam palm, he did for the background. So whether would they go for Zaha also, nobody really knows. You get less than 7-6 days before the window will close. Today is 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 1. You get bam, like 6-5 days, everything will scatter. So we know whether incoming will come and the incoming no will come. We'll just watch. At the same time, they call ask Arteta whether I get any injury updates, what will be the team news. So Baba come to say all the people we train for training, so everybody they fit. Get nobody where they left out. The only person we know say still there for the treatment table now is Nelson. According to what Arteta they talk. Even though you get some kind of rumor where they fly over social media where they talk say Tomiyasu no go they available. I don't really know now until we see the lineup. But from Arteta press conference, Baba talk say everybody they available. So maybe whether Tomiyasu come get that injury after the press conference, or maybe they do the training or whatever. I don't really know. Now when we see the lineup later today, we'll know. For Nigerian time, the match at 5:30 p.m. There, I don't know the country where it is or which time now won't be. So they wait for the lineup, sha. At the same time, for the media setting, they only ask Arteta about Mitrovic. You know, say Fulham gets one player who they call Mitrovic, and this guy, the guy good gone. Many people they think say the guy in a championship material because last season for the championship, Mitrovic scored 43 goals there in one season. 43 goals. Then for the EPL now, when they don't come back to the EPL, the guy can score 3 goals in the first 3 games. So I think that they wary of the guy. Say that guy is a phenomenal player and we need to tame him down. You are playing at the Emirates with the kind of backline we'll get. We need to shut him off. Let them know say we are a different kettle of fish. Forget saying Liverpool get injury. That's why I'm completely like saying that Liverpool nearly killed them. They were lucky. They were lucky. I watched the match now. Liverpool wasted a lot of chances. While Fulham got counter, back, penalty, and then all those kind of things. So they were just lucky. The Liverpool not finish them. But now they are coming to the Emirates. They will see a different team. Then, in case you never know, Alexander Isak don't join Newcastle. This is about a £60 million deal. So the guy don't join Newcastle. Eddie Howe will be Newcastle manager. Talk say he really want the guy. Say the guy really fits his style of play. This Alexander Isak scored 6 goals last season for Real Sociedad. So I don't know why Newcastle go make him their highest end spender. Now they don't break their record for money. They don't spend a player. So now they don't get 3 world class, not really world class, but 3 top center forward. They get Callum Wilson, they get Wood. Now they don't get Isak now, and they're not playing Europe. They're not playing EPL and Cup. Them they fight tooth and nail to enter the top 6 so that they will get European football for Newcastle next season. Well, this season is going to be a banger. Many people they drag for that top 6. They're plenty now. They're plenty gone. So we'll see as everything they push out. Then for the media setting also, they ask Arteta about Pepe where they leave. Say what is the stop now? See the guy they come back. I mean, what did they happen? So Babaka talk say Pepe where they leave now because if Pepe don't get heart-to-heart talk, then discuss, and they can realize say Pepe need game time. That's why they say okay, the best place for you to go and get game time is probably on loan. Because at the moment, people waiting for in front, pass him, all those guys Saka, you know people Ben Saka, and enter when you enter, you know they perform well, you know they give the coach that confidence. Okay, let me bring in Pepe. So now they don't send them out on loan. You don't go join OG Nice. So the currently they ask Arteta for the media to say, the club don't learn their lesson from signing people like Pepe who will come and they will come acclimatize. So Babaka talks say, well, the thing is when you want sign player, you know go fit know the future. Say okay, whether this guy go acclimatize, or this guy no go acclimatize, it's all about risk. And the club took the risk. At the time when they buy him, they believe say he's the best team moving forward because they felt Isaiah was an old man. Pepe was very, very young. Say, and we know Pepe play for League One before they bring him in. Pepe scored 22 goals and made 11 assists in a good season. Come on, if you look at the statistics of that kind of player, the way he was dribbling everybody in League One, you're gonna look say, how many goals Zaha scored? Mokoko bring in Pepe. That was the deceiving factor. That was when they bring the guy no come perform well. Well, at the end of the day, the long run now, who lose? The Arsenal company overpaid for him. Now we are sending him out on loan. It's £72 million. Even so, Arteta when they explain say Pepe is not responsible for the amount a club paid for him. No be in fault. Say when I go overpay for him. Then if he don't come perform, I want to use that money when they judge him. And myself, I understand that one. Say that's quite because myself, I follow people they judge him about that because how can you come in for £70 million and you are not playing week in week out and you are on the Benjamin? Who does that? So don't be false. We just let the matter die. But don't go genius. Then go enjoy for there. I'm still on the media setting. They ask Arteta about Aubameyang move to Chelsea. Say Baba don't join Chelsea. So what you get to say? Baba say, well, nothing we get to talk about him now. We thank him for everything he do for us and we wish him all the best of luck. But anywhere where they go, you don't go back. Then from back now, Chelsea one sign because Chelsea they desperate for a striker. And Tuchel they feel say with Aubameyang still get connection because na a former player before. Well, wish him all the best of luck. If they sign up, and let's Sabi Aubameyang Sabi play very well for a new club. If you just enter, you go hit the ground running, back. Then as time goes on, you go fade off. So that one na in templates get. That's what they do. So me I want make them sign and you go make them very, very weak. Because Aubameyang person say you need to create 10 chances when they score 1 these days. So the guy now TOT before but now don't shot a Shalaski. Goal.com don't come outside. They talk about Arsenal's move for Pedro Neto. So they talk say Arsenal don't discuss with Jorge Mendes, and the guy can talk say now £50 million at least moving forward. Now they will fit take carry the guy. So Goal.com when they explain say that £50 million valuation fit be waiting will make Arsenal pull back because Arsenal know they see the guy like say in what's that £50 million. That's what they are saying. So I never really know how all this one they go. We'll just the watch. But Dean Jones, they already tell us say this deal no go work. I said Dean Jones, damage set. Tell us say this deal no go work. So make us no reason the guy again. So I never really know how they go. We'll just the watch. Our familiar settings, they come they ask Crystal Palace manager Vieira, say I did see all these people they talk say that they interested in signing Zaha and all those things. So Babaka the talk say normal every transfer clubs they come and say that they interested in Zaha, but last it just fizzle out. So they say all these transfer links about Zaha, if he materialize and become fruitful, then we'll deal with them. So never they dealing with them. We never know whether a positive dealing or be negative dealing, you get. But when talk say everything are still talk, get, are still interested. It never materialize to a proposal or an offer. So when it materialized to all those ones, when it reach that stage, we will deal with that. Then at the same time, our monetary spirit wey they call the Sun, don't come and say let us know say Arsenal no will make any new signings. This one be say Pedro Neto deal don't they hit the rock, so they don't tell them say they pay £50 million and above. Say because of that, if they don't sign Pedro Neto, they don't go sign any other person. Whether this report it will come to fruitfulness or not, I never really know. But time still there. With Arsenal, anything can happen. Not just Arsenal, all clubs, anything can happen. Transfer window is still large. We'll just watch here. But me, I did very optimistic. Say make them sign again, because like what Babasato talked yesterday, you can't use only a Bukayo Saka on the right flank, unless maybe not there they won't deploy Fabio Vieira. And you say Fabio Vieira is a very versatile player. Remember, you are playing multiple competitions. What if Saka can't get injured? What if Saka lose form? What if Saka no play? What if Fabio Vieira self no go fit in for that right flank? The guy is not pacey. As a winger, you need to be very, very pacey. So I hope Ateta know what's in the dusha. We'll just watch. Then for the media settings, they call they ask Ateta whether he go replace Pepe. So Babaka they talk say they go like to replace her, you get. But if they no feel replace her, because like the market they dictate what they saw. If they no feel replace her, then what they will do be say they will manage the players to them because he still has the best squad in the world at his disposal. So replacing Pepe or not replacing Pepe does not, because they don't buy very well according to him. See, they are very good. But me, I will tend to disagree with him. Like I just talked now, you cannot use only a Saka on the wing. It doesn't make, it's a no-brainer. It makes no sense. You get Saka alone. Don't feel repeat what he do last season. When we say he carried that right wing for his shoulder, we don't need it going forward now. You had a lot of months, like 2-3 months, to buy players. So, and according to Ateta, say this Pepe leaving, they don't already foresee him. If you have foreseen it, if you don't see him for the past, when you foresee the future, say Pepe will leave, then you should have foreseen the solution also. You can't tell me you allow a Pepe leave and you not sign a replacement. I'll be very, very shocked if by September 1 we get only Saka as our right winger. No, I'll be disappointed. But we'll just watch. Then for the match of the day, Arsenal versus Fulham. So today Arsenal will host Fulham for the Emirates to continue the fine form. But you run check their head to head. For the last 5 games for Emirates, Arsenal win 2 and draw 3. We draw 1-1 for here. For this match, we need to beware of Mitrovic, because this guy did very, very deadly. And as we beware of Mitrovic, then said we beware of Gabriel Jesus, because Gabriel Jesus said for the Emirates in front of 60,000 capacity stadium where everybody they chant, they sing all their songs. We are very, very deadly too. So today we know who they more deadlier. So that's what it just be. So if you know what yesterday, you should check the top left corner of the screen. You'll see the thumbnail. Click out so that you get all Arsenal updates as they drop all over the world. So CHUKS signing out. Enjoy the rest of your day. I game out.